Good day everyone, I am Judel Joy D. Carino from Bachelor of Elementary Education, Class 1. And my report for today is all about cerebral palsy. Cerebral palsy is a group of disorders that affect a person's ability to move and maintain balance and posture. It is the most common motor disability in childhood. Cerebral means having to do with the brain. On the other hand, palsy means weakness or problems with using the muscles. Signs and symptoms appear during infancy or preschool years. In general, cerebral palsy causes impaired movement associated with exaggerated reflexes, flappiness, or spasticity of the limbs and trunk, unusual posture, involuntary movements, unsteady walking, or some combination of these. People with cerebral palsy and its effect on function vary greatly. Some people with cerebral palsy can walk, others need assistance. Some people have intellectual disabilities, but others do not. Symptoms of cerebral palsy. Some people with cerebral palsy can walk, others need assistance. Epilepsy, blindness, or deafness also might be present. Cerebral palsy is a lifelong disorder. There is no cure, but treatments can help improve function. It also includes problems with movement and coordination, speech and eating development, and other problems. These are the movement and coordination of a person with cerebral palsy. Stiff muscles and exaggerated reflexes, the most common movement disorder. Variation in muscle tone, such as being either too stiff or too fluffy. Slow breathing movements. Favoring one side of the body, such as only reaching with one hand or dragging a leg while crawling. Next is difficulty in walking. These are speech and eating disorder of a person with cerebral palsy. Delays in speech development, difficulty in speaking, difficulty with sucking, chewing, or eating, excessive drooling, or problems with swallowing. These are the development of the person with cerebral palsy. Delays in reaching motor skills milestones such as sitting up or crawling, difficulties in learning, intellectual disabilities, delayed growth resulting in smaller size than would be expected. These are the other problems: seizures or epilepsy, difficulty in hearing, problems with vision and abnormal eye movements, abnormal touch or pain sensations, bladder and bowel problems including constipation and urinary incontinence. Last is mental health conditions such as emotional disorders and behavioral problems.